Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA Forex, and in this video we're going to be doing our Gbpjpy analysis for Monday the 27th of January 2025. So I've been trading this particular pair Gbpjpy on our group, and for those who are not yet in our Telegram group where we do share signals, insights and stuff on trading, make sure you join. Like last week we had a lot of good trades in our group, clean signals, clean setups, and we made a lot of money trading in the group. So this is what is very interesting. So we know that in the higher time frame perspective, that's the daily time frame, we have two main zones of interest. We have a buy zone down here and we have a sell zone up here, and price is trading between those two zones of interest. So this is what we are looking forward to. Now let me go to the 4-hour time frame. On Friday last week we had news, which was the BOG interest rates, and the rates were increased. With that said, we know that Gbpjpy had to be bearish for a while, then we had to go bullish. We know that when there's news, the next day there have to be a pullback from what happened during the news. So it was very obvious that today was going to be a pullback based on what happened on Friday, if you know what I mean. So you can clearly see that Gbpjpy has been on a bullish trend ever since when price formed this double bottom formation. We had a consistent break of structure, and over here we had a change of character. That means that price change from bearish to bullish. You can clearly see that over this time, from Tuesday the 7th of January, we were on a bearish trend as we kept seeing lower lows and lower highs formation. But here we had a break of structure, we had a change of character, and now we are going back to an uptrend, if you know what that means. So you can see that over here we had a bearish order block, yes, and this other block became a breakout block because it was broken, and it acted as a kind of like a support, and price kept going to the upside. So we are keeping our eye on this particular zone. I'll keep my eye on this zone completely, hoping that if price gets here and I see that the bulls that were buying over here are still present in the market, they might keep buying Gbpjpy and it may reverse back to the upside, if you know what I mean. Now we're in a bullish trend, so if we put our trend line, we're going to see that there's a trend line that touches this particular area like that. So we can keep our eye also on the trend line and see how price will react when it's going to break the trend line. Now let me come to the 1-hour time frame. In the 1-hour time frame, we are seeing that we have a double top formation on Gbpjpy, which is also something which is a clean reversal pattern formation, this one here. So as price is going to fall, and we can see that price has been broken this particular area here, you can clearly see that this was going to be like a change of character because price break this particular zone over here like that. So we have a change of character here, but it might still reverse and be a fake breakout, or you may call it a liquidity sweep to the downside. But I believe that Gbpjpy will still sell and get to this particular zone over here. So this will be my main zone of action, and because we're in a bullish trend, I want to look forward to a buy trade if I see a clean reversal to this particular side. So over here we had a fair value gap that's from here to this particular area like that. Yes, we have a fair value gap over here in the 1-hour time frame. So we're keeping our eyes not only on the fair value gap, but also on this main area where we had a lot of buyers pushing the price back to the upside. Like there was a consolidation here, then what we kept seeing that the buyers kept pushing price to the upside, and we even over here we even had liquidity sweep to the downside. Then price went back to the upside because the SMC they had to take out liquidity from this particular area and push price back to the upside. So we are having a fair value gap here to watch. We have an order block over here to watch. Then we are also having, what will I say, this zone here, because this zone is also another interesting zone which we have to keep our eyes on as a sell zone. That's if price goes there and start misbehaving again. So these my two buy zones here, 1 year and 1 year. If I see clear reversal forming in the lower time frame perspective, let's say like the 30 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame, I'll keep my eye on taking a buy trade in this particular area because I'm still longing Gbpjpy based on what happened previously last week. So if last week is bullish on Gbpjpy, this week it might also be bullish. We may just have a pullback, then price will go back to the bullish direction. So when we come to the lower time frame perspective, that's the 15 minutes time frame, we are looking for a clean reversal for us to take a buy trade on Gbpjpy, but we need to see the confirmation before we do what we are doing. So with that said, that is my analysis on Gbpjpy. I'm looking for a buy trade at this fair value gap and also at this order block area like that. So with that said, what do you think about this particular video? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.